So about a half hour ago, Zach and I were filming on our Isle of Man Green G80 M3. We were doing some videos, and we thought, you know what, we need some F10 in our life. So we are going to modify the heck out of BLAISE'S F10. We have about 3 hours, and in that time, Blaise, what are we gonna be doing today?
We're gonna be doing wheels, we're gonna be doing lights, we're gonna be doing spoiler, mirror caps, charge pipe, stud kit, P3 gauge, license plate, retrofit, and a power pedal. Let's go!
So I don't know if you can tell, but Blaise is pretty pumped about this. So, like, this is kind of a super last minute decision. So Zach is gonna be helping. We got Josh over here, our lighting crew for now. Gary's gonna be helping. I'm gonna help. I'm gonna basically start mounting and balancing the tires. And then Zach's gonna start get some B-roll before, and then, yeah, we're just gonna modify the heck out of this thing. We even have some different color options for the GTS lights to see what Blaise likes better. And yeah, this is just totally last minute, totally thrown together in 4 seconds. So let's get started. All right, so the process is going to be, I'm going to start mounting and balancing because that's my job. And then, what are you guys gonna do?
Play with the light.
Got a pro mirror cap installer right here.
Boom, no broken clips. A little dirty in there though. Boom. You know, so much easier than the F30. So we're gonna take a trim tool, just get it right under there, and we're gonna rotate it towards the windshield. Now you have to kind of pay attention because this wraps around the bottom too. And there you go, pops right off.
So I took the cover off for the bolt here, for the pedal. Take the bolt out, we're gonna swing the pedal up to take it out, and we're gonna drop the power pedal down in there to give Blaise a little bit more performance.
Nice.
Yeah.
I like the variant cover here, that's pretty nice. Yo, you always work in the dark?
Video guy, he puts me in the dark corner.
You ready for these new wheels, Blaise?
Heck yeah. They are variant Xenons in the brushed bronze. Ooh. They're gonna look so good on this black car. We're also gonna put a stud kit on, you know, to make it a little bit easier to get my wheels on and off when it comes time to switch them back out for stock, if I gotta do that.
Nice.
You're gonna take your studs, you're gonna take some Loctite, and you're gonna put 2 drops on there. On the smaller side, because this is the conversion. This converts you from the 14.125, which is the standard F-Series thread, to the 14.1.5, which is like a racing thread. Mainly if you're tracking your car, but this was a stud kit we had on hand, so that's what we're putting on.
Nice.
1, 2. And then once you've got it nice and tight, you're gonna take your torque wrench and you're gonna tighten it down to 25 foot-pounds. Now let's get the wheel on. You know, it's really nice having a stud kit. Makes it a lot easier to put your wheel on and get it nice and lined up.
Does it fit?
Woo!
Wow, your aggressibility just went up like 24 stages.
Oh man, that is nice.
So my first time ever doing a backup camera on an F10, I couldn't figure out how to get this off. And I'm like, what the heck? If you look here, there's a hidden screw. And there's a hidden screw right there.
Oh, whoa. It like...
I don't even remember what they are, if they're Phillips or not. Yeah.
They're...
Look at that.
They're like felt... They have like a felt top.
Yeah, like they have a felt top. First time I did one of these, I'm like, there's other fasteners, but I took them all out. I was like freaking out.
So we're going from this to this. Yeah. We got Josh working on the car. We got Blaise working on the car. We got Gary over here getting tools. Then we got Brian working on the car.
I'm just pretending. It's like one of those modding a car in 15 minutes, but like really, like no, we did it in 15 minutes.
There you go. Oh, they just slide right off. So the gauge itself is installed. Now I just got to get all the electronics working.
You went with the hardwire kit?
Heck yeah, bro. I got to make sure I can still use that OBD2 port with my Kies Wi-Fi adapter.
Ah.
Come on.
Finally getting rid of that old charge
Ah,
pad.
look at this nasty stuck
Throw it.
garbage. Ah!
Yo! That was a bad idea. What holes?
Frick. I knew it!
Got me.
What do you think?
Looking beautiful.
Which one is this?
Competition style.
Competition style.
Competition style for the win.
Yeah, buddy. Ooh, look at that. What do you think, bro?
Heck yes, bro. I am happy.
So we got Blaze setting up his power pedal from dÄHLer right now.
dÄHLer tuning right here.
Gonna set that up. You got your new P3 gauge, which is beautiful.
Gorgeous.
And then you got the new wheels.
New
You got the trunk spoiler, the GTS
Stud kit.
lights, the stud kit. Got the Kies charge pipes, so you won't blow it up.
Oh yeah, you got it.
You already have the MST intake.
Yep. First
What's your
install.
next mod?
You know what? You're gonna have to stay tuned to find out. We'll see you in the next video.